morning, everyone. I'm Akshara Sharma, and it's a privilege to be here and share my experience of representing my school and my country on an international platform through an AFS exchange program in Hungary. Thank you for being here.
Right, thank
You,
you.
Aksha.
Please sit.
Now, my first question to you would be, could you please explain what the AFS program is and how it enabled you to participate in an exchange to a country like Hungary?
AFS is basically a platform that offers students the opportunity to apply for intercultural exchange programs across different countries of the world. And I first learned about it through my school. Since our school is associated with AFS India, I got a chance to apply for a month-long immersion program in Hungary. And AFS made sure that I wasn't just traveling, but responsibly representing my school and my country.
Wow. So, did you notice any personal growth or changes in yourself after your time in Hungary?
As for the growth, yes, a lot. I've learned how to deal with different kinds of people. It really helped me boost my confidence, made me way more independent and mature. And the most valuable thing that I learned was, traveling alone without parents at such an early age. And it is something that I'll be forever proud of.
Right. Now, what was your very first thought when you stepped out of the airport at Budapest?
My mind actually went into two directions. A part of me was thinking that have I made the right choice or will I be able to survive for a whole month so far from home? But on the other hand, there was an excitement inside me that this month is going to be full of freedom, insane experiences, and new learnings.
So, it felt like a dream.
Definitely.
Right, and now were you the first student to embark on a journey on an
AFS provides us with both domestic and international exchange programs. So our students are already going for domestic exchanges, but I was the first one to take the initiative and step out of the country.
Right, so you became the student who dared first, inspired next, and returned with stories that made other believe they could do it too. So, Akshara, what was your schedule at Budapest?
It was quite structured. For the first 2 days, we had orientations with AFS volunteers, and for 13 to 14 days, we visited different sites, including the famous Parliament and Buddha Castle. And for last 15 days, we shifted to our host families and attended regular school.
So it was a very packed schedule indeed.
Yeah,
Nine
right.
to
Right.
five.
And you mentioned the term host family. What do you mean by it?
Host family is basically a volunteer household that is associated with AFS, and they take care of the exchange students like their own and provide them safe environment.
Right, that's lovely.
So, did you make them try our traditional Indian food or did they try you make their traditional Hungarian food?
Yes, definitely. I made them try our Indian food, and they genuinely loved it. And they also made me try their Hungarian dishes. Some were delicious, some were, let's just say, unique. And like one thing that I learned was whenever you travel to Europe, you should carry Indian food along with you.
Like nothing can beat that mama ke haath ke rajma chawal.
Yes, of course.
Right. And nothing beats the warmth of Indian families either.
Yes.
I've heard European families are quite different from Indian families.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Like when I met them, there was, a feeling of formality, but like they were very formal within the family as well. So that's the cultural difference that I experienced.
Right? So, in those moments with your host family, did simple conversations feel a bit uncertain or out of place?
Awkward
Of
one.
course. Uh, like we had a bit of conversations before going online, but as we were meeting for the first time, there was a feeling of hesitation. But as we continued talking, we got comfortable with each other, and still we are in contact.
Right. Could you tell us about an unforgettable experience, a moment that wasn't part of your plan but ended up becoming one of the highlights of your journey?
Each and every moment about this exchange is unforgettable. But one moment that is very close to my heart was meeting my brother after 8 months. he came all the way from Germany to meet me.
Wow.
And we spent a whole day together. We did shopping and ate Indian food.
Lovely, Akshara. So, Akshara, every journey comes with surprises. Was there a moment or, that you didn't see coming but was one of the memorable one?
During my layover in Finland, my phone went off and I was not able to connect to my family. But when I switched it on, the Wi-Fi was not working. So I coincidentally found a couple of Pathankot and they helped me connect to my family and I could make a phone call.
The
at
world
home.
really seems round.
Yeah.
And there's one more incident.
Okay.
When on the same day when we reached Hungary, we were sleeping and suddenly heard a fire alarm. Everybody rushed out of the hotel, but then we got to know it's a false alarm.
Alright. Now, while you were in Hungary representing your school and your country as the head girl, did you feel a heightened sense of responsibility as if you were constantly being watched and expected to maintain perfect composure, stay collected, and adjust your behavior at times?
Yes, absolutely. Being abroad as the head girl, meant every action carried extra weight. So I always tried to stay composed, calm and adaptable.
Right, that's amazing.
So, well, that was a quite fun experience.
Thank you for joining us today. We were truly glad to have you.
Thank you, Akshara.
I just want to thank everybody who supported me throughout. Our former principal, Mr. Parminderjeet Singh, our vice principal, Miss Preeti Khichi, and our Miss Sulba Singh, and Miss Sugandhi Seni, and my parents, of course. Thank you, everyone, for your constant guidance and support.
Thank you, Akshara.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.